Good morning. Here's our breakfast here in Hilton Inn Hotel. Ayan, noodles. How many choices? And different soups. Fried garlic. Chilies. Fried onions. Salad. Noodles. And here is the station of rice. Tomato, onion, and chili and bell pepper.
I want to scramble it, but no chili.
And chili.
No chili.
Ang galing kasi sila nagluto ng kumilo. And then kayo ang masusunod ko ano yung gusto. Tapos meron dito ang pwede salad section and fruits. Meron din po dito for breads. Ayan. May waffles. Ayan. Pwede mo bumalik-balik right? Ayan po sila noodle section. Ayan kayo mag-prepare ng sarili mo after maluto. Ang galing guys. And ayan, meron po silang yogurt, cereal, and like cantaloupe compote, apple compote, it's a sliced, and the yellow raisin, dried kiwi, dried cantaloupe, and then meron silang for kids. Bongga dito. But if you want vegetables, so many vegetables here. Salad section. Pinakabongga nila, meron silang coffee dito, butter, and may mga jams sila. Ayan, strawberry, vanilla, orange, chocolate syrup, maple, and honey. Ayan po ilalagay dito sa fresh made dessert, which is waffle or pancake. Ayan. Mamimili po kayo. Ay, meron din po sila dito mga fresh croissant, cinnamon roll, and banana muffin. Ayan po. And also peach tart and chocolate stick. Yan pa rin pong init po. So that is for all the breakfast here in Hilton Gardens. And ito po yung coffee or milk. If you want coffee, go coffee. You want chocolate drink, go chocolate. And if you want cafe latte, espresso, Americano, regular coffee, Ako, tingnan natin ang menu. Meal and... Okay, thank you. So, what up? So, we have breakfast here at Hilton Garden Inn. Thank you so much, Ma'am Chona, for this breakfast. Ayan. Ano po siya? Buffet set. More different food. Maraming pagpipilian. And then, ito po yung napili ko. And also, hindi ko makakalimutan mag-soup. Chicken soup po siya. And let's taste the food here. And I'm gonna first taste is the chicken with gravy. Naman gusto kumain ng Jollibee. Yung pepper lang nila. Sarap. Peppery. Masarap ka. And syempre yung rice nila na pinagmamalaki talaga. Masarap yung rice. Masarap yung rice. Yung pepper gravy, perfect. And also the beans with pork curry. Very matapang talaga yung curry niya. Ano ka ng pepper? Ganitong anghang talaga yung gusto ko, guys. I love it. Maanghang, super. Tapos matapang yung pagka-curry niya. Kaya curry naman. Pagka natin ang special naman sa sausage nila kasi nakain naman ako kahapon. Sarap. Ito yung pagmamalaki ko yung on the spot ginawa yung omelette. Ito paluto. On the spot nilang niluluto, guys. With cheese, ang sarap! I love it! With cheese non-fat milk M&M. Iba natin yung noodles, the broth. Ang ang powerful talaga ng sili nila, guys, pagdating sa mga soup. Ma-herbs talaga sila, guys. Kaya malalasahan mo talaga yung mga herbs and the noodles. Para siyang sa atin miswa. Sarap! I love it. The herbs and the spicy. The combination talaga ilang araw na. Sarap. Thank you again, Ma'am Chona, for this breakfast buffet. The broth. I love it. Makakaubos tayo. So again, see you on my next vlog, guys. Kaya Thank you so much, Lord, for those people ang ginawa na pong inspirasyon para mahalin at tulungan kami. Mahal na mahal ko kayo lahat. Ay, huwag nalimutan kay Madam Friend Damage. Without her, walang ganitong eksena sa lahat.